Hi friend, everyone. I hope very fine. Today I share you every day 30 20 to 30 pips daily earning strategy. Today I share you. So you can first download my description, download Google download link. After that you zip file and unzip. Then you can see expert indicator and PDF template. You can go this one expert. This one you can first go file folder, then you data folder, then go expert. This one paste. Okay, after that again you go indicator file, then all indicator you copy and go again open data folder, then indicator, then paste indicator. Okay, then you go again template, this one template. So go data folder and template and paste there. Okay, then your MT4 you can reset, MT4 reset. MT4 reset. Then you find your template name, this one 30 to 20 pips daily, this one, this template you set. Okay, right now your template already perfectly set. Then how to you can buy and sell, I show you. So you can see first you read, must you read PDF. This indicator you must session wise indicator. This one session, London session, New York session and Tokyo session, and the New York often time, Tokyo often time. Okay, New York often time. Then you see this PDF, this same of alert trading. This one you can trading only, not only Forex, you can trading binary option. This one you read all, all you can understand. Okay, like this this one bar chart. This one you can sell there. This one you can sell. This one sell, you can you must follow the same rules. When you see this one buy signal, then this one cross, this one cross, this one buy signal and this one cross, then you buy. After that you see sell, same you can sell, then cross, this one cross, then sell, this one sell. You see before back. Okay, this one buy, you can buy. This one sell signal, you can there sell signal. This one you cannot sell, you can must next signal you can open your order. this one you read this one like this binary option, this one binary option, this one binary option trading system, binary option. Just you can call buy signal, then you sell cross. Okay, this one expired win, this one buy, okay.